Hello, so today we are going to apply at University of Burgundy, France. University of Burgundy is basically a public university in France that is offering admissions for international students with no application fee and no IELTS requirement. So to apply for this France university, we will just go to Google and type here scholarshipsguidence.com. Okay, so after opening this website, we can see different scholarships information that is posted over here. We will just click on University of Burgundy France Scholarships 2024. Okay, so after opening this, here we see a complete information about the university that is basically located in France, and here you can see different information. You can read eligibility criteria, and here is a list of required documents that are needed to apply for this university. Okay, so these are the programs that are being offered in English languages. So you can see your program from this list. Okay, so for university official page, you just have to click over here. Here you will see a complete admission processes to apply at this university. So applications for English Start master programs. For master programs, we will just click over here, and after opening this link, we can see different majors, and here is a deadline that is mentioned, 24th of May 2024. Okay, so I will go to academic to see the majors list that are being taught in English languages. So I will click on English taught majors, the programs, and here is a list of programs that are being offered for master level. Okay, so here you can see master's programs, and after clicking on admission or degree seeking student, you will see a complete guide, a complete stepwise guide to apply at this university. Okay, so I will come back to that website, and here I will click here to apply online, this button. This will take us to the portal to apply for this university. So after clicking on that, it will take us to university portal where we can apply for this university. So first of all, I will click on British flag to change its language into English language. Then I will click on create account. Okay, so we will click on create an account. We will fill information, last name, first name, email address, email address confirmation, and we have to choose a password also. Password confirmation. Okay, then I will click on save button. After clicking on save button, I think I entered wrong password. Okay, after clicking on save button, the university has sent me a link to my email that I have entered, where I will click to confirm my account. Okay, so I already have clicked on confirmation email. They also have sent me a username that I will just copy and paste over here to login, and I will enter my password also. I will click on connection. Okay, so I will just convert its language into English. Okay, so on the left side I will click on personal information, enter or modify information. I will click over here. Here we will select our nationality. Okay, then I will click on next button. Title. Okay, then your date of birth. You have to just write over here, then your country, whatever it is, then city, and then you will your preferred language. I will click English over here, then I will click on save button. Okay, then I will click on address and fill my address over here. Enter or modify address, country, postal code, town, whatever it is. Then you have to type your address over here and click on save button. Okay, then you have to fill high school diploma information. If you have any, then you can fill it over here. Your year of graduation, whatever it is, type of high school diploma or equivalence. You can see that one is suitable for your high school diploma. For example, I will click on mathematics. Issuance country, I will select my country name and click on save button. Okay, so you must not have any local studies because you are not from France. So I will click on non-local studies, and here I will fill details of my previous degree, year obtained, training. Here you will select department, engineering. You can also convert its language to English just clicking on translate to English. Okay, so like this you can convert this language to English, and then you have to describe your degree that you have obtained. For example, if my degree was bachelor's in mechanical engineering, so I will just write it over here. Okay, then you have to, if you have obtained your degree, then you will click on yes, otherwise you click on no or in progress, whichever is suitable for you. Okay, then I will click on yes button. So if you have any internship, then you can just click on a new internship and add it over here. Also you can add your work experiences over here. You just have to click on new work experience, then year, title, whichever your job title was, you can mention it over here. For example, if I worked as a design engineer, I will just write over here. Then duration of your work, 2 years, 1 year, or whatever it is. Then your company name where you have worked. Okay, then you have to just click on save button. So your job experience will be added. If you want to add any other, then you will just have to click on new work experience again, and then add all the details of new work experience. Okay, after filling all these informations, I will just click on application button. Here there is no application. I will just click on new application, and here there are majors that are being offered in English language. So I will click on science and technology because I want to apply a master's in science and technology. I will click on masters because I want to apply a master's degree. Here is a list of different master's programs that are being offered. I will just go through all of these and see which one is related to mine previous education. So I will just, for example, I click over here and I select it, then I click yes, Okay, so application status is still on hold because I have not uploaded any documents yet, and its deadline is in 9th month. Okay, so it is different for different programs. I will just change its language into English. And here you can see a list of different documents that we need to upload. We will just click on this button. For example, here it is letter of motivation. I will just click on plus button, choose file, and choose a file whichever it is. For example, I want to upload this one, and I will click on open button, so it will be uploaded. Then I will click on close. By repeating this procedure, we can upload all the required documents, and then I will click on transmit my application. So after clicking on this button, our application will be submitted. So it was the complete procedure to apply for this university. Okay, thank you.